Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're going to do puzzle number 90. And let's just start with this box here. We're missing a 1 and a 2. We've got a 1 there. So 2 and 1. So for this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 and a 7. And we've got no help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. So for this column then we're also missing a 5 and a 7, but we've got a 7 there. So 5, 7, 5. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 there. So 2, 9, and 9 there. So 2, 4, that 9, and we've got a 2 there. So that makes this 4, 2, and 9. To finish out this box, we're missing a 1. So for this box then, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and an 8 here. So 2, and 8 here. So 5, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got no help here. 4, 6, 7. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 7. And a 6 here. So 4, 7. So the only place our 6 can be is here. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 3, 8. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 5 and a 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column here, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got the 2 there, so 5 and 2. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 4 and a 9. We've got a 4 there, so 9 and 4. For this bottom row then, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 2, 7. For this box then, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and an 8 there, so this is our 9. We've got a 3 there, so 8 and 3. So missing a 4 and a 7 for this row, and still no help. So 4, 7. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 there. So 9, 6. For this column then, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 there. So 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 there. So 2, 7, 2 there. So 4, 7. So the only place our 2 can be is here. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 8. For this box then, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 5, 7. And we're just left to fill these in. So 4, 7, 4, 7. And there we go. That was today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and share this with someone you think might enjoy it. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.